goes along. You wanna hear my song? So welcome to my show. Welcome to my kitchen. My show is so hot, honey. The vegan meat, the gluten-free, the dairy-free. Oh. Hey, darlings. Olas, it's Soraya. Soraya's for Bada with Soraya's Fierce Cooking Show and Soraya's Fierce Kitchen. And I'm really excited about the Soraya's Fierce Kitchen because last Friday was my first time at the farmer's market here in Long Beach, California. So yay, because that was a big step and a lot of steps that were taken in order to get to that position of being at the farmer's market and do well enough to spread out into other markets and spread into LA. And the goal, of course, is that I'd like to have a healthy Latin cooking restaurant serving my food. And now that I've gotten into vegan cooking, of course, a restaurant that's going to serve vegan, healthy Puerto Rican food. A lot of my cooking is fusion with Chinese and some Italian and all of that stuff. So I'm inviting you to stop by one Friday here in downtown Long Beach at the Promenade from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. to taste my empanadas. It's gluten-free, it's dairy-free, it's vegan. So if you're in the neighborhood, please stop by and see me and say hi. That would be excellent. And if you want to come and buy an empanada or 2 or 3, that'll be fabulous. And support healthy Latin cooking, Puerto Rican style, vegan style, Soraya Sobreda style. So thank you, and stop by Soraya's Fierce Kitchen soon. Bye.
The person cooks
it's very good. You don't even miss the meat. It tastes like beef, but it's not beef.
Thank you very much.
How did you like the empanada? Okay, no, because it wasn't recorded before.
Oh, I do it all over.
And you're such a natural too. Oh, thank you. Soraya's, right?
Yes.
I'm trying to say, okay.
Yeah.
Hi everybody, come to Soraya's Vegan Food.
It's okay, it's okay. I'll edit it.
I'm like, I can't even talk.
I'll edit it, don't worry. But thank you.
Yeah.
All right, so I have 2 gentlemen here. They just tried my empanadas at the farmer's market. This is Soraya. And if you could tell me what you felt about the empanadas?
They had so much good flavor. It felt like there was meat in there with no meat, and I love it. I love it.
Thank you so much. And you, sir?
The right amount of condiments, the taste was amazing. It was like full flavor. I'm glad you're here, and I will be coming here every Friday that I'm off. So yes, thank you very much for being here.
Thank you so much, both of you. I really appreciate the response and the feedback, okay? This is gonna go on my Instagram account. I'll give you my business card so you can look me up. I have a YouTube channel, and I air here at PatNet TV in Long Beach. I have a cooking show that I do. Yeah,
great.
yeah.
And vegan, yes.
Yes, all the way. Yeah, everything that I'll make here will be dairy-free and gluten-free and vegan. So,
Awesome.
all right. So I'll be introducing a lot of dishes. Thank you both.